you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible with our God.
You because sometimes you need this kind of hairstyle that will look sleek, that kind of haircut that is face framing. And this kind of hairstyle will always give you that kind of Afro-centric style, always emphasizing your natural haircut style. I just want you guys to see the way this haircut is styled, see how you can use your comb to just give your hair that simple poise. All you have to do is to use the right roots that will give your hair that curl it deserves. So sometimes, apart from using a comb, you can also use your fingers to press out. Use it. Use this so beautiful. She didn't even, and you can see how they just give the side part with just the comb. And we have so many different styles for the beautiful women that love the bar to know. I just want you guys to see how they use the sponge book to achieve those colors. Isn't this lovely? This is from Guy Moore. You know, he's based in Ghana and is another good guy that knows his money. So take a good look also on how this hairstyle is achieved. So you can see how the result looks like. I think this is a finger wave, and you can see it's looking so beautiful, and the color is beautiful. So for those that love platinum, those that love blonde, that want to have that type of hairstyle that will turn eyes, just be the star of your own show with this icon balayage. I don't know because this style is perfect, like for natural hair. And it always highlights um, your face shape, you know, the body and the bone as well. So let's take a good look at this too. Let's just know how it's going to turn out too. I think this is another tips on how you can style your hair also in the house using just a simple product. I think that's what that you want to use. And after using the water, I think you can use just a simple gel. Just have those simple defined points on our hair. We're using the edge control that for sleep. So it's as simple as everything. And this is just simple ways you can just start your hair. See the style. So when it comes to hairstyles, there's nothing impossible when it comes to hairstyle. There are so many youthful short natural haircuts for beautiful women. Sometimes you can try to look fierce, sometimes you can try to go some incredible styles like this. Also take a good look on those beautiful Pixie. You know, Pixie most times are for the um, African matured women because it's that style that will always frame their face, it's that style that will suit their personal style, it's that kind of style that will give them that touch of sweetness they want. And this particular Pixie is really a stunning combination of warm tones that always creates that natural look that will always complement beautiful, beautiful matured women out there. So let me just let you guys please about the size we have for you guys. I appreciate everyone. Our returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys and see you guys in my next video.
What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible with out, God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge.